Let me ask you a simple question. What is change?
When I sold my business, I shared my fortune with every employee in the company. I always felt very strongly that those of us who have had the good fortune in this country, that we should give back to our origin or country.
We always felt that we should do something for India.
This story began 25 years ago in 1999 when Mrs. Edda and Dr. Surinder Sehgal visited their very first village. The visit planted the seeds of change. A change from within, flourishing a vision as vast as the fields before them. From the east of India to the west, from the south to the north, S.M. Sehgal Foundation reached across the nation, delivering a diverse range of interventions to a diverse range of people. No matter the region, the mission remains the same, empowering communities and transforming lives. 25 years of empowering women.
आम्हाला आज कंप्यूटर काय आहे आणि कसं हाताळतात हे सुद्धा माहित आहे.
प्रोग्राम से पहले हम लोग घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते थे. मीटिंग के माध्यम से हम लोग अपने ऊपर आत्मनिर्भर बने हैं.
पढ़ाया नहीं जाता था बेटी को, लेकिन अब
यहाँ बच्चियों की शिक्षा के लिए भी इनके अभिभावक जागरूक हुए हैं.
Many girl students are continuing their studies.
25 years of redefining rural areas.
तालाब का काम किया
तो हमारे को दूसरे के कुएं पे नहीं जाना पड़ता.
As a result, their income has improved.
चेक डैम बना है.
सभी किसानों को 100% फायदा हुआ है. बहुत अच्छा.
And hey, all of this is sustainable too.
Even when we are gone from the villages, they are able to carry on with the development initiatives,
which provide a long-term sustainability and long-term impact.
We educate them on the better farming practices, sustainable agriculture practices.
नए तकनीक ढंग से खेती कर रहे हैं और आगे भी करने का उम्मीद है.
25 years of on-ground interventions.
पट्टा पद्धत मक्का टाकतोय
आणि त्यांचं उत्पन्न पण खूप निघालं.
ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
From every corner of the nation, reaching far and wide, we made sustainable schools.
का गांव का कोई भी व्यक्ति जाता है तो वो एक बार हमारी स्कूल की तरफ जरूर देखता है.
And radio community.
Purpose of the Sehgal Foundation is how we can continue to empower the rural communities in the villages.
But the journey just did not end here. As the seeds sprouted and the plants began to grow, it was time to nurture them with care and dedication. And how did we do it?
our fundraising approach is governed by the values of credibility, transparency and reliability.
We employ an omni-channel marketing approach to our development communication.
We uphold our principles and don't deviate from our fundamentals.
Research here is not a prisoner to numbers.
Collaboration is the key to the success.
If something does not bring an impact, it does not bring a change, we did not get into those processes.
So the question is, what is change?
Change is innovation.
Change is to be a better version of yourself.
Change is infusing new ideas. Change is exposure.
Change is inevitable.
परिवर्तन सीखने की एक सतत प्रक्रिया है.
Digitization of our records.
Change is advancement.
Change is adapting to future.
Change is stability.
Change is evolve and be relevant.
कुछ बेहतर करने की चाह और चेहरों पर मुस्कान.
Change is evolution.
So change is AI.
Change is a hopeful tomorrow.
अब किसान अपनी खेती को एक व्यवसाय की तरह देख रहे हैं.
Reimagining sustainable community participation.
हमसे क्या पूछते हो? जरा गांव हो के आओ.
ससुर के नाम से, पति के नाम से जाना जाता था, लेकिन आज मुझे मेरे नाम से जाना जाता है. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा बदलाव है.
मेरे लिए बदलाव है आत्मविश्वास.
पहला गरीब को हक नहीं मिला था, अब मेरी यही उद्देश्य गरीब बहन का हक मिलना चाहिए.
मेरे लिए बदलाव का अर्थ है परिवर्तन.
From the fields of rural India, where farmers smile with hope, to the empowered women leading change, we are building a stronger, brighter future for generations to come. Together, we walk this path of transformation, where every step, every drop, every growth matters. What began as a small seed 25 years ago has grown into a tree, offering shade and vitality to millions, enriching countless lives.
SM Sehgal Foundation, sowing the seeds of aspiration, harvesting change.